Masasabi ko lang, first, I was afraid. I was petrified. Now, I will survive. I will survive. Hey, hey, yeah.
Oh my gosh. It is such an enriching experience. The entire thing is so well thought out and very, very organized.
Yes, I believe it was a good jumpstart for those of us caught off guard because we started with empowerment. And I remember in one of our sessions, one of the speakers mentioned that the best time to start is actually now.
I'm Rubenstein M. Ladera, RDT, IPO, PARDT, or the Philippine Association of Registered Dental Technologies Incorporated. As a president-elect, no, kasi before we do such things na walang hindi organized no? Since we gathered a lot of information on how to conduct meetings, everything, even in a parliamentary style. So I think it will be helpful para sa akin as a president-elect.
The more important thing is really building networks and bridges in order to create impact. You cannot be an island and be effective.
Pinasayaw kaming lahat ni Doc M kahapon, no? Akala ko ang presidente mag-preside lang ng meetings, pero pinasayaw pa niya kami mga kung ano na natutunan namin na sayaw kahapon. Kasi nga, may part doon na si Doc M yung nagli-lead, so kailangan mong mag-lead by example para din, syempre, yung mga constituents mo, yung family mo, hindi lang sa national, pati sa local, kasama mo, sunod, pare-pareho kayo, sama-sama kayo, na lahat ng missions, lahat ng goals niyo para sa chapter, para sa community, masagawa niyo na maayos, no?
So sa tanda kong to, hindi ko akalain, parang nasa isang maliit na comfort zone ko lang. Pwede ba pala ako lumabas? Ang dami ko pala pwedeng itulong, not only sa chapter, sa association, pati pala sa community.